umtholile driver siqale lapha manje inenkinga yakho.
The baddest bitch from NST, that's empiricist. Bitches be jealous when I win, gives me so much bliss. They can't compare, that's why they mad, I'm who they wanna be. Stalking me, hating me, come to me and face me. I see you killing, it's just what me.
Sanibonani bo baby, sanibonani bo lala. Welcome back to another vlog. Manje ngifuna kudla and ngingodla amacandza ne-cheese ne-tomato sauce nesingwalo esimhlophe nelitiya. Lambe njani Chem? And I'm gonna be watching i-Hated Driver. Kunini solo ngithi Chem ngitoyibukela solo angibukeli, so namuhla ngifuna at least nje ngibukele noma episode leyi-1 before ngichubeka nje ngenta lokunye.
Are hoping for something hot on the ice. Canada-Russia final showcasing the two most talked about prospects in the world. Canada.
Kulate njani nyalo for sure sike kusha 2 AM lambile futhi ngithe athi ngipheke something le quick, so I'm having a rice nemens lenema mixed veg ngisakupheka though kwanyalo, so yes. And I'm gonna be trying this, but it right if we serve pasta, but meaning ngoyena rice, cause why not? By the way, guys, this is a sauce. Ngiyakuthanda kupheka kudla ngema sauces, cause ngithanda ukuthi umshibo wami abe thick, cause nami ngithanda into leti thick. But yeah. I-right le rice Shem, angithandi mina ukuthi i-rice yami ivuthwe kakhulu because ngifuna ichuweke, ngifuna engathi basalihlatanyana kancane yabo ngikhona ukuyidla kahle, ngikhona ukuyichuwa, cause leyo ukuthi ivuthwa kakhulu nasengiyidla iba iyabhidlika manje angifuni lokho mina, hayibo. Hayibo, I'm freaking out because ngi-ate mixed veg ngize ngiyathi solo nokuthi le mixed veg ngi-ate because ayivutha nama-carrots solo akavuthwa, kunini solo ngithela amanti like le men's. Hayibo, guys ngilambile so.
Of the internet is almost eradicated. What we have now almost feels like a simulation, a recycled, curated, AI-assisted illusion of interaction. Every conversation is performance, and every post almost feels like somebody or something is trying to sell us something.
Bolala, I wanna brush my hair. Kunemule ngimkhaphako uya e-Southgate Mall uthi uya ko-Pierce. Ngibhizi ungedi la. Eh, umtholile driver sicale lapha. Manje yini inkinga yakho? Yabo nje nawe nje ngaqale kanje ngasithi yakusuka. Ngathi nje tiyakusuka nawe. Yo. The holding spray lami ngifake kakhulu. Yini kanzi? In Shem, alright, phela hlala ungayisebenzisi install iBolt yakho.
Unayo
Kodwa ukuscam.
manje ukuthi ingene
Bakubambete inkunzi. Show ukuthi awudibone tutorial ku-TikTok ngiyakubona.
na-Uber musayisithole i-game.
Mara nje ukaweva bathi uba ibambe abantu inkunzi.
Emva nje yini akuthi
We are at this camp. My dream is to have a collection of these perfumes. The Ariana Grande. Oh my gosh. My body mist. And then because of what taste that it smells so good. Seseclicks cabanga umuntu wakhona ungitshela ukuthi yana lapha kuyadura kwasha kwacima kwavutha mlilo. Yathi nje yathi uyangihambisa. Yeah. Sibuyela back at this camp bekathi yogcina ngani cause Clicks bathe aba PS labe baslidele khona nyalo asikuboni sini. So akaye PS la athi kudura khona. Nakhona kuyadura imcangathi yena kuse complex la. La to PS khona ngabo 100 rand. Sisemall la sidlala what?
wona that is
Thatha phela.
ngikenzile
Ngiyabona. La maswa.
down
Masa Shem. Sise McDonald's. Nginto yokuthenga iMcFlurry because obviously angeke ngize ngite emall ngimoke ngakathengi lutho kwekudla hayibo. Masa Shem yabo. Soul cheese boy nyala. How do you feel?
excited.
Shem siyabonga ya. Bye-bye, Shem. Sanibonani bo baby, sanibonani bolala. It's a new day. Yo, nami njani Shem and angathi ukuthi ngithenga isingwa nekota, ikota ngidle ngalo bese isingwa ngisidla later. Oh, ngithenge ite good. Bese nesingwa ngisidle later. Angikho sure. Ngathi kusingene njani. after ngiceda ukubukela le clip lengiceda kuyishutha nyalo ngibonile ukuthi ikhopha lami liyabonakala ukuthi liyajuluka shem and anginandzaba guys I don't care cause kunormal lo cause bese ngicabanga ukuthi oh my gosh let me delete the clip ngicale phasi da 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 or nathi seng-editha ngidofaka sticker no I'm not gonna do that. Ke ngize ngikwende lokho sis. Kusotha amakhopha kunormal duh. Like nayibole weather guys kunemafu. Bathi kunjani kambe nakusoku gloomy kube bathina ngisavis. So I think it a good will do. Lona abo umngane wami ngithi akangikhaphe so usagcoka. So lanke asagcoka I'm just gonna go to Siphephelo, my other friend. Siphephelo. Ukhona? Ngivulele sis.
Hi people, my hair mbulelo.
Uyangibhora shem. Guys, nyalo sis.
Sanibonani balala, sanibonani go baby.
Manje njani? Ukuphi? Bani? Hayi guys, nimlanze laphana. Hayi. Sibangikhapha esitolo ucabanga abangani bami bukathi siyi-group sesibaningi period.
Amandla. So let's go. Yes. Asambeni bafazi.
Women, hi guys, sisenazi regular nasithola ukuthi kune GBV eyenzakalayo e-Ivory Apartments. Finally yes.
Who got the baddest pussy?
Is student accommodation, so ingane ziyahlupheka nje. Sibhadala 15 rand.
Reporting live at Ivory Apartments. So manje siqeda ukuphuma yini singazipheka. All along he was not talking to us, he was not smiling. Masimbulisa he doesn't respond, and out of the blue yena sekazenza amandla bafazi amandla. Yes entertain lento yakhe.
Ngi-direct call.
Uzwile masipepera.
Uzwile guys.
Beka sasiprepare athule
Atshela usipheya angazange.
Uyakhumbula
text.
ngindaba ka-perfect. Uthi phela mina ngizomdobha hayi ngathi wamthiga ukuthi unyezi bazokudika nje bazokufuna wathi ingishi athi ngaphambili ngihluphile bafazi.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but ngisekamereni mngane wami ngidlela khona and if I'm charge ngiyolenza feel my soul. But yeah. It's so good. It's a kitchen with my friend. I'm sure niyababona guys. Papi's watched that Tom. I guess this is the end of the vlog. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much.